Welcome to JB Lessons. I'm JB, and in today's lesson I'm going to be showing you my 3 top tips for beginners ukulele. Tip number 1 is all about correct placement of your fingers. What I mean by this is playing with the fingertip rather than the finger pad. If you play with the pads, so for example I'm holding down the chord of G, and you get your top note ringing out, your next note ringing out, and the next note sounds like this, and the next note. The reason is my fingers are laying on the string I want, but also a string that I don't want. Now, you could just try and get on your fingertips in that position, but that leads to a lot of tension in your wrist. What you want to do is push your wrist down and out under the neck, like this. If I just let this go down and push forwards, my fingers automatically go from pads to fingertips. And now with that same chord, you've got all your notes ringing out nice and clear and no fingers touching other strings. Tip number 2 is also about finger placement. If you find that you're really having to squeeze hard to get your notes to ring out nice and clear, like this, what you're getting is, again, some dead notes or some rattles. It's maybe not that you're squeezing too soft, you're squeezing in the wrong place. Try and play a little bit closer to the fret to the right from your point of view. So move your fingers right up to the frets and you should find that a lot easier. Tip number 3, if you've just bought your ukulele and it's brand new or you've just changed your strings, you might find that you are constantly tuning it up. Your strings just do not want to stay where you put them. The reason is there's still a lot of elasticity in your strings, too much stretch, and you need to take some of that out. Now you could just keep tuning it and tuning it and tuning it, and over time you will lose that stretch, but if you want to speed it up, this is my tip for you. Do this on each string. Put your finger on fret 1 and put your thumb under the string, and you're going to gently just stretch it out. Now move your finger to fret 2, repeat, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go through all your frets doing the same thing. Retune your string and do it again. You do this 5 or 6 times and you should find that your ukulele stays in tune much better because you've taken that elasticity out of the strings. And a quick bonus tip for you. If you're tuning your ukulele, always go up to pitch. What I mean is if your string is too sharp and you have to bring it down, go under pitch and bring it back up. That way you've always got tension sitting on the string. So that's my 3 top tips for beginners ukulele. If you've enjoyed this video, please do check out some of my other videos. And also I have a beginner's course available, and if you'd like to check it out, have a look at this video. It takes you from beginner to intermediate level. That's it. Thank you very much for watching.